With the new declaration of Cardano-based stablecoin, DJED, Cardano value expectation for January and February 2023 looks bullish. Understanding the ADA value conjecture can assist you with choosing whether to put resources into ADA. Might really work out for you or not. On the off chance that indeed, will ADA be a decent hold for present moment or long? A great deal of you have been holding ADA from quite a while now. In this video, we will check whether ADA can cross 100 INR in the short run and 500 over the long haul. Before we go on, let us read what Cardano market opinions are in 2023. And what being in future is reasonable. As of now, we have seen the Indian crypto market being is driven by the moving altcoin called Cardano. However, by the Cardano cost is around 50 rupees or somewhere in the vicinity. With its taking off ubiquity and market esteem, one contemplates whether ADA can arrive at INR 500 rupees. All things considered, in the realm of digital currency, nothing can be said with a full verification and sure. What we as crypto devotees can do is just make expectations in view of the current upsides of a specific digital money. To make ADA cost expectations, you want to grasp the historical backdrop of the ADA digital money. You likewise need to realize ADA value history and advancement of the digital currency. Outfitted with this data, one can basically expect to make pretty much an exact cost estimate for their number one cryptographic money, which for this situation is ADA. On that note, in this video, we have attempted to provide you with a comprehensive bin of data on what precisely Cardano really is, the manner by which it works, its set of experiences and development, its cost history, most recent updates, stages where you can get it, and some cost expectations for what's to come. What is Cardano? ADA. As of now, Cardano is one of the greatest digital currencies on the planet. It is known for its adaptable savvy contract blockchain stage. Also, in light of this adaptability in its organization, it can uphold various decentralized funds, savvy contracts, and its quickly rising local symbolic ADA. Likewise, a stage is practical and versatile for the improvement of new games and tokens. FDV Cardano, 22.5 billion United States dollars. ADA market cap as of January 16, 2023. 12,067,250,334 INR. How does Cardano function? Crypto financial backers were sitting tight for quite a while for Cardano mainnet to send off, and it at long last occurred on September 12, 2021. Cardano blockchain can now at long last run brilliant agreements. It deals with the evidence of stake agreement system. This system utilized by the miscalled our bureau. Presently you see of late, we see that the digital money market is advertised up on the special prize technique called the evidence of stake agreement. Be that as it may, what is confirmation of stake? How could it be not quite the same as the traditional technique for evidence of work utilized by Bitcoin? Furthermore, how is everything turning out to raise and keeps up with its validity? For this, we really want to figure out the elements of the evidence of work and verification of stake instrument. What is evidence of work system? Digital currency deals with supporting the separate organization blockchains. How could that be finished? For each exchange, various supercomputers from one side of the planet to the other work toward approving blocks of exchanges. Not many approved exchanges make impedes that structure the blockchain of that specific digital currency. Presently, individuals who work on making these blocks are known as diggers. Furthermore, these excavators are compensated with the digital currency on that specific blockchain. That is the manner by which the whole strategy is customized. However, this is the general working of the framework. Essentially, it has different manners by which it works. One is the evidence of work, the more ordinary and more seasoned method of diggers being compensated. Also, the other is the confirmation of stake, the fresher and obviously more tenable method of approval. How about we grasp both these techniques with basic similarities? Assume there is a race with 8 members. Presently, these 8 members display novel attributes of their own. While some of them have more fragile abilities, others have better honors. For example, one can be an undeveloped sprinter while his purs are prepared. One can have marked running shoes, while the other can't bear the cost of such shoes. Like this, circumstances can be different for various members. Presently, these various circumstances will affect the after effects of the race, since certain players will enjoy better upper hands over others. In this race, there is just a single victor. And it is just that champ who is compensated. There is no second or third position. ADA value expectation for December 2023. ADA could reach as high as 0.4 United States dollars toward the finish of December 2022, while the base could be $0.25. Cardano value expectation 2023. In United States dollars, the most elevated worth of Cardano in 2023 can be anticipated towards the year's end, at $6.47. Conceivable ADA cost in United States dollars could differ between $2 to $3. ADA in 2023 looks very bullish. ADA value expectation 2024. In United States dollars. Again, the most elevated worth of Cardano can be anticipated towards the year's end in December, when it could arrive at as much as $18. The most reduced ADA cost can be anticipated to hit $6.9. ADA value forecast of Cardano 2025 in United States dollars. The most noteworthy worth of Cardano in 2023 can be anticipated to be $54 in INR 4353 RS. The most reduced worth can be $20, and in INR, it tends to be 1603 RS. Value forecast of Cardano 2026 in United States dollars. The cost of Cardano could drop in 2026, and the most noteworthy worth of Cardano in 2026 can be anticipated at $36 in INR 2098 RS. The least worth can drift at $13 in INR being 1070 RS. Value estimate of Cardano 2027 in United States dollars. In 2027, the cost of Cardano may be $108.83 and INR being 8,706.61 rupees. The most reduced cost can hit $40.15, while in INR, it tends to be around 3,212.29 rupees. Cardano value forecast in 2028. In 2028, the cost of Cardano might be supposed to fall. The most noteworthy worth this year can be $75.05, and in INR, it tends to be 6,004.56 rupees. The most minimal in 2028 can be $27.69, and in INR, it tends to be 2,215.37 rupees. ADA value forecast 2029. In 2029, the cost of Cardano is supposed to rise a little. The most noteworthy this year can be $90.06. In INT, the most elevated may be around 7,205.47 rupees, while the least worth of Cardano could be $33.23, and in INR, it very well may be 2,658.45 rupees. 2030 value expectation of Cardano. In 2030, the cost of Cardano is supposed to take off up to $136.46. In INR, it tends to be 10,917.38 rupees. The least worth of Cardano in 2030 can be $50.34, which in INR may be around 4,027.96 rupees. How high might ADA at any point go? According to Cryptables Club Group's ADA cost forecast, ADA could arrive at an excess of 130 United States dollars by 2030, and as far as INR, 10,000 INR is reasonable. Be that as it may, cryptographic forms of money are unstable. Also, you ought to continuously proceed with reasonable plans of action. Could Cardano at any point hit 10 United States dollars? We especially figure Cardano could reach and, surprisingly, cross 10 United States dollars before 2025. For AD